So in this video, is a continuous from the previous video question, which is the same question but for part B, where your random variable x is the length of sugarcane and x having a normal with a mean 170 cm, standard deviation of 15 cm. So part B asking if 7.35% of the sugarcane have length less than kcm, and they ask to find the value of k. Again, this question, they already give you a percentage which you can change into probability, and they asking for the length less than kcm, means that this x length is less than kcm. So probability 0.0735. Again, first write down your question statement. P x less than k equivalent to 0.0735. And then second thing is that you standardize by using the standard score. From px you change to z, become less than k minus by your mu, which is 170, over by standard deviation sigma 15 should be equivalent to 0.0735. Alright, now for the third one is you find your z-note from the table. Now z-note come from this part where k minus 170 over 15, you change to any unknown. I name it as z-note. Then to know the z-note, always refer to your probability given and also your symbol of your inequality. Now, probability given here is much less than 0.5 and your symbol is less than symbol. So you might have two possible value of z, whether you're going to have a positive z or a negative z. So what you do is sketch the curve and you look at the probability whether it's logic or not at the certain region. So you have two curves. Now if it is a positive z, where this is 0 and this is 0, and you have a negative z, and both are less than, so you have a shaded region less than and less than. If you look at, I name it as part A and part B. Now if you have the probability of 0.0735, which is less than 0.5, which curve is logic, which region is logic, whether it is A or B? Question. So for sure it's gonna be at the B, because this one have much smaller region than 0.5. The area is much smaller than 0.5 because half of region less than 0 already taken the area of 0.5. So if you add up this one, the middle part, for sure is gonna be more than 0.5. So this is not possible. So you have to discard this particular region. So your true region would be your z having a negative value. Now, in the table, you will not get at the tail part. So what you have to do, you have to find the middle region, because your table is for the middle area. So finding from the table, you have to put 0.5 minus by 0.0735, where you get 0.4265. And then find the closest value to your probability of 0.4265 in the table, where you will get this value, exactly 0.4265 at your z 1.45. Write down your answer. Your z will be negative 1.45. And the last part is you should solve for your k after getting the z. Z note equivalent to k minus 170 over by 15. Then z note known just now, negative 1.45. So k minus 117 over by 15, using the algebra, you will get your k as such, 148.25 cm. Okay? So let's recap a bit. When you have to find the value of unknown when it is given the probability, first write down your question statement, and then you standardize, then you change into Z-node, then you find the Z-node from the table by drawing the two region, then you discard which region that it is not possible, and then you solve for K by using your algebra. Okay.